Hey guys, we got this multi-tool we're going to unbox today. Check it out. It's got a nice sheath case here. Took off the security. The little blade here. It's a nice little camping tool, multi-function. This blade cover fell off when I was taking it out of the plastic. See how this works. Do that little hook there. See if I can zoom out if that's better. Not really. Looks like a prior function. When I looked at this before purchasing, I actually thought it was going to be kind of small. It's functionable, probably just enough of what you would need. It's actually doing a pretty good job of blade sharp. A couple of hits on that does the trick. Let's see what other tools we have in here. Probably a little saw on this side, nail file on that side. A little nut wrench, bottle opener, different size nuts there. There's another saw. That's very sharp. Screwdriver, Phillips head there. Also flathead screwdriver on that one. And last but not least, the main blade. This measures probably 6 to 8 inches on the board. And close it back up. I couldn't find a nail down here to attempt the hammer, but it does seem sturdy enough to be able to knock in something into the ground at least. It's about the size, a little smaller than my thumb. It fits in my hand. I've got pretty big hands, I guess, considerable to most people. I think these are about 20 or 30 bucks. Be a nice gift, maybe even a little Father's Day Cub Scout if you've got a son or a nephew in Scouts, or a neighbor. Be a nice little gift to check out. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this, you can look in my description and I will link to it. And you can get this best gift multi-tool for your garage. Thank you for watching.